Hi builders, welcome to the e-learning tool. My name is Jackie de Klerk, your success coach, and in this tutorial I will show you how to release your e-learning course through a standard form, which means there is no payment that needs to happen for the person to access your course. The only requirement is registration. So right here on the dashboard, we've already got a course created. We've got a website and we've got a page inside of our website where we're going to send the person to give them instructions on how to access the course and that they need to register. If you access that page, we're going to have something like this. In this example, we've got a video giving them some instructions, not text, as well as a button that they need to click to register for the course. But you can change this any way you like. Then we're going to go to the e-learning. We're going to click on edit. And then we're going to go to the registration and protection area. You're going to make sure to choose either the registration required to view content or some lessons require for registration, because you need them to actually register. Then you are going to change the activation settings to automatically activate the new registered users so that you don't need to do it manually, but this is still a decision that you can make. If you do not want to make manual, you can always automatic, you can have it on disabled. And then the integration area is important because they are only going to register via form. You do not want this enabled because otherwise the payment has to go through super checkout for them to be able to access the course. You also want to add them to your emails or to a mailing box. So make sure that you are going to enable this area so that you would be able to send them emails. And if you want them to confirm, make sure that you slide that area as well. That is important if you are going to add them to a list and not just to your student list, which is going to be in the area in the front to manually add them. So that is the important part that you need to do here. Once you've done with that, you're going to click on save, and then you're going to go back to your course list. And what we're going to do now is going to grab the embedded code. So there is a direct link. We're going to grab the direct link and we're going to drop it into the URL place at the top, and we are going to click on these images so that we can get to the area where it says the lesson is locked. And then you're going to see we've got a register button. You're going to click on the register button, and then you'll see that there's a URL at the top of the page. You're going to copy that URL, and then we're going to close it. We're going to close all of that, and we're going to go back to the page, and right here on register for course now, you're going to add that form or the standard form URL right here at the top, and you're going to click select, and then once that's done, you're going to click save. And once the save is done, make sure that you republish your website. Then it is ready so that people, when you are sending them to that specific page that you have right here, they're going to get the instructions. Once they click on the button, they're going to go to the page looking like this, and they would be able to register for your course. And that is how easy it is to release your course through a standard form. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in another. Bye.